What's up, Seal, my boy? What's happening, broski? That was a nice 15-minute break and tap right there. What's up, Katie? How we all doing? What's up, D? Good week? Yeah, really good week, bro. That's me, bro. That's me for the week. I don't think I'll be trading again. So that break-even trade I had yesterday. No, the winning trade. Was it winning trade yesterday? What's up, Petrovic? Was that yesterday? The days just fly by, man. Like, I just lose track of the days so easily. Yeah. So yes, yeah. So we had the break even on Wednesday, and then the winning trade on Thursday, and then I had a couple sell stops placed today. I had some sell stops placed on this 30-minute signal, but they didn't get triggered. Price didn't push over 3 pips. Beyond that, signal didn't get triggered. And then this 30-minute breakout also did not get triggered as well, obviously, because this candle didn't break the lows. It just flipped straight back bullish. So, I mean, yeah, man, it's a beautiful week. I can't complain. I wanted to like get it over 3K. I wanted to take like a small trade today and just try and get like $100 or so, but yeah, ended up on 2.9 after commissions this week, 2.8. Have a good long sleep tonight, bro. Yeah, I need a fucking good sleep, man. Woke up at like 6 a.m. this morning. Didn't go to sleep till, I don't know, like 12:30ish. So probably like about 5 hours sleep. I mean, that's what I usually have anyway, around about 5-6 hours at the moment. But yeah, let's get the TikTok stream started up. There's been a lot of people having problems with their TikToks lately, getting banned and stuff. So hopefully we don't run into any of those problems on TikTok, especially not today, last day of the week. Come on. But how's everyone's week, man? How are we feeling after another week on the markets? How we all feeling, man? Good week for me too. Caught the buy with you yesterday. Nice, bro. Yesterday? Oh yeah, yesterday. Fuck, I'm tripping, bro. I literally just said yesterday as well in the fucking at the start of the stream. I'm tripping. I lose track of the days so easily. But yeah, yesterday we had the buys. My gosh, these buys right here. It's literally on my chart right now. I'm looking at it. Yeah, I definitely need sleep, but it's just not that either. Like, my days are so hectic, man. I have a million things going on in my day, you know, as I'm sure everybody else does as well. But yeah, like the days just seem a lot longer than they actually are, you know what I mean? So like that trade was actually only yesterday. It was only last night, but it feels like a couple days ago to me already. Super grateful for the refresher. Yeah, the refresher, I've been meaning to do that for a while. I want to keep updating the V5 course as well. I think it's important to keep updating the V5 course as well, to keep people refreshed and keep people, you know, to show people that I'm, you know, as much as I can, I'm also entering these trades with you guys. I'm, you know, I'm there active, right? So it's not like you guys just get the V5 and the course and then don't hear anything from me. I'm active as well, so gotta keep it refreshed, updated. Gold is pushing right now, though. But yeah, we also can't forget as well this week, the Signals channel on Tuesday. Beautiful. Somebody said that it was about 240 pips, but I need to count it myself as well. So we had the Signals channel. What's up, Yoshida? What are my thoughts on gold today? It's chalked. My thoughts on gold today are it's chalked. Because you know, it's just consolidating again. So I was looking at the breakout below this kind of level in the market. If you go to the higher time frames, you'll be able to see this level a little bit more clear. This is the 4-hour time frame. You can see this level right here to the left where price you know, failed to close above. Got rejection, 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 rejection. We finally break, then we retest, come all the way back up, and now we're coming back down to test this area again. So yeah, I was looking at the breakouts here, but like that price can continue bearish here, potentially down and fill this wick to the left, grab liquidity here. Maybe this is also daily structure, so this could also be a break of structure, which would be liquidity grab as well under these lows at 2654840. So that was an option, but yeah, it's right now there's not really much you can do. Not really much we can do, because yeah, it's until I see a breakout of either like, let's see, I don't even know anymore. You got these lows here. And you got the highs. So the only thing currently now I'm actually looking at is, let me just take a quick look. Yeah, the only thing I'm really looking at today, or as of right now, is the sells. And if we don't get that, we don't get the sells, then we don't get them. But I'm looking for price to come down, break below this area, which is the 2661085 area, and then we can potentially fill this range, which is about This range is about 60, 65 pips, so it's a decent range. And once we spike out, if we start coming down here, we're definitely going to be coming into this area because price will be a magnet to this area. If we start breaking below 2661, and then this is going to be liquidity under here, right? So one thing, you know, there's two things that can happen. We're either going to sell off, come down, break through this area, grab that liquidity, but then just absolutely start melting to the downside, or we're going to spike out, boom, and then we're going to see that expansion back to the upside based on the week. Because if you have a look at the weekly and how the weekly is playing out, it's Friday now, right? It's Friday coming into New York session in about 30 minutes. This weekly candle has pretty much at this point, unless there was news, which there isn't, has pretty much made its mind up, right? So we know that the weekly candle is bullish. So we can anticipate this weekly candle to still close bullish at this point. So we know that the weekly, you know, there's where my Lambo at? Gee, I don't have a Lambo. Where's my Lambo? I've been trading for 8 years. Good one, brother. You've been brainwashed by the Forex, the YouTube Forex gurus, bro. Is this a back test or a live analysis? This is a live analysis. This is a live markets, dude. Jelly and Slade, appreciate the follow. Sab, Cizo, appreciate the follow. Ignore this brain ninja kid, bro. He's literally 16 and claims he's got an R8. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, in terms of the weekly candle, the weekly candle obviously has made its mind up what it's doing at this point. It's bullish. We can anticipate at some point today price can continue bullish, but I'm done for the week. I'm done. I've already made my money this week. A few small losses, some bigger winners, 2.9 for the week. It would be silly of me to try and trade these market conditions right now with this consolidation and risk, you know, giving that money back. So that's the type of people you deal with on TikTok. Oh no, bro, I'm fully used to the TikTokers. Trust me. It's entertainment, you know. Matthew and Yusef, appreciate the follows. Hassan, appreciate the follow. But yeah, I had a couple sell stops today. I was looking to get in some sales, but they didn't get triggered. So I was looking for price to continue bearish here. Once we broke this area, this level, retested it, started rejecting here, started having the bearish structure on the 30-minute bearish candle closures. Price started pushing down. I was anticipating this 30-minute candle to continue bearish, breaking the lows here, coming and filling this range, but then it just flipped back bullish, and that was that. Then I was looking for the breakout of this key level. Price broke out, and then this candle just closed straight back above. So it is what it is. No trades today so far. Mustak Ahmed, what's up, man? In the YouTube channel. So where do you guys know each other from then, Tubi? How do you know this guy? How is he in my chat and you know him? Have you seen him in other people's chats as well? Market moves based off supply and demand. I mean, it's all relevant to who is trading, bro. Like, it doesn't matter what your strategy is. Most strategies are profitable. It's not about the strategy, trust me. It's about the person trading the strategy. And if you have the mental capacity to sustain that kind of trading and discipline and consistency for 5-10 years straight, right? It's not about your strategy. There's so many strategies out there that can work. It's about it's the psychological aspect of trading. But whatever we are trading, retail traders, I'm a retail trader, you're a retail trader, whatever we are using to trade, just know that the main players, the big boys in this game, are not trading supply and demand or ICT or breakouts, or, you know, they're not. You just know that they're not, right? This is a retail concept. What's my strategy? Just price action. Just candles, candle highs, candle lows, body highs, body lows. Just from all different time frames. Is this except? Yeah, this is gold. Why don't you show the temporality? It is difficult to learn like that. What do you mean, Roberto? I'm good, Mustak. I'm good. Thank you for asking. Where do you go to use this? What do you mean, Pato? How about market structure? Yeah, well, I class, personally, I will class that as price action, because market structure is based, again, off candles. You can't have, there's no market structure without candles, right? So I would class it as, I would class structure as price action, personally. It's FOREX with Cody, Algo V5. Why do I gamble? There's no gambling here. This was just kind of like a late night Friday end of the week stream. I did have some opportunities to trade today, but now there's news coming up in about an hour, so I won't be trading for the next hour at least. And then after that, it's gonna be like 11 p.m, 11:30 p.m. for me, so I'll probably just call it a week at this point. But what about 4 hours time frame on gold? What about it? I definitely use the 4 hour time frame for sure. MR Sam Krishkan, appreciate the follow. Wait, I didn't read your comments about he was saying, I don't get how everyone is fine, it's not hard to be profitable, etc. Claiming he's got an R8 and whatever else, but the way he was talking, I could tell he was full of shit. Is Pal speaking today? There's personal spending, personal income, and then core PCE as well. Let me just have a quick look on FOREX Factory. We got a lot of we got Who's this? FOMC member Bowman speaks. So we got Bowman speaking. Whoever the fuck that is. How's it not gambling? Because it's not. How long have we been profitable for? I mean, that's like, if you want me to be exact, I don't know exactly, but it's around about the last 4 years. And that's also going through. That's also going through like that break-even stage. Because there was a lot of times where I was profitable for, say, 2, 3, 4 months, right? And then all of a sudden you go through that, you know, there was multiple times where I would grow an account and then I would just blow it, right? I'd go back down to break even, or I'd go like a few thousand in profit, then go back down to break even. Then I would go again in profit, then I'll go back to break even, right? So this kind of went on for a while for me, and that's once I figured out how to get past that break even stage. It wasn't anything that I changed about my strategy. It wasn't anything that I changed with how I trade. It was all mental. That was it. No, I don't trade funded accounts. Israel military convoys patrolling could affect price. Oh, there's at this point anything can affect gold price. Anything in the world that happens, mostly, it's gonna affect gold. I don't need to trade funded accounts, but also I don't really like the kind of business model that funded accounts are. Don't get me wrong, if I didn't have any money and I needed the money desperately to like grow my account or whatever it may be, then I would take the funded accounts, but I don't need to. But also, like a prop firm, a funded account is a company that is set up in hopes that you fail, right? They're not a company, they're not just nice people out there just going, you know what? These poor traders out here with no capital, you know what we're going to do? We're going to start a company and we're going to try and get all these traders funded. And you know what? I hope that we can just pay them all out, right? And we'll just be out of pocket. That's not how they work. Their business runs and is able to stay running and be profitable because they know people, whatever the percentage is, whatever the data is, over 90% of people in trading will fail and they will blow their accounts and they will purchase another one. So their company is set up in hopes that you fail, right? And they have all of these rules in place to not pay you out and to try and catch you out and shut down your account, so then you have to buy another one and another one and another one, and you keep buying these funded accounts and you're just making them rich. But when it actually comes to payouts, which I would say only a very small percentage of traders who do funded accounts will get paid out, and most of the time I wouldn't even be surprised if they were affiliated with that prop firm and they're saying they're getting paid out, but really they're just getting paid their affiliate fucking payout, whatever it is, right? So I don't agree with these companies at all. They're built in hopes that just normal people like you and me suck and fail and just keep paying them money for new accounts. That's it. They try their best not to pay you out and put all these rules and regulations in place so that you fail. That is a company, that is an evil business kind of structure right there. what time frame I am right now. This is a 30-minute time frame. Is Top Step good? I have no idea. If you was gonna do any funded account, I would say stick with the well-known, right? We all like our well-known brands. One that has been around for a long time. And we know people get paid out for. They haven't been shut down. Like all these other funded prop firms have been shut down recently. They're getting shut down left, right, and center, right? But yeah, there's one that stands out, right? We all probably know it. I'm not going to say what it is, but there is one out there that has been around from the beginning and it's still here, and it's one of the biggest ones and the most reputable ones. So yeah. Yeah, this is xauusd. Does that make a trader not to be profitable because the company have a way of making profits? Well, that's just a prop firm we're talking about, famous. Do I have a copy trading account? No, we've been trying to set up a copy trading account for the academy for a while. This is the 4-hour time frame, by the way. But it's just too difficult with setting it up for members, because there's members from all around the world, right? And there's a lot of members from the US, and a lot of brokers don't accept US clients. So that's a big chunk of people taken out already, right? Because if I'm going to do it, I want to do it on a broker that I trust, the broker that I use. I'm not just going to use any random one, but yeah, it's difficult. And then there's companies that offer copy trading, but they charge a monthly fee, right? And I don't want people to have to pay a monthly fee to do the copy trading. Like, it's just, yeah, we were trying to figure it out for a while, but it just seems too difficult to please everybody and make everybody happy. So if I can't make everybody happy, then I just won't do it. Because some people are going to be upset that they can't, because they're from the US, they can't sign up. And then if I don't do it and I do it another way, then there's going to be some people who are upset because, you know, they have to pay monthly fees, or they have to, like, you just can't please everyone. So if I can't please everyone, I'm not fucking doing it. You can't find the indicator? Yeah, you have to get access first. Emil, Yesy, SAA, appreciate the follows, man. Where am I trading from? Australia. Australia, mate. 2675. I don't have a take profit. I'm not in any trade right now. What's your opinion on the 1-of-1 funded? They any good? I have no idea. I've never heard of that funded that prop firm before. Nice spiders there, yeah, nice big spiders. Do I teach? On the live streams, yeah. On the live streams, of course, I always try and give as much information as I possibly can with what I know about trading. And if people can take anything away from that, then that's awesome. If they don't, then they don't. But Thugga Abdillaham, appreciate the follows. Abdi Halim, sorry. What pair? This is gold. This is gold. xauusd. But yeah, man, this was just going to be a quick stream, just a recap of this week. So this week has been awesome. This week has been insane. So I've had how many trades have I had this week? I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 5 trades this week. 3 break even / small losses. They're basically break even trades. It's a few pip loss here and there, right? But yeah, small losses, 3 small losses, 2 big winners, 2.9k for the week after commission, about 2.8k. So it's been a great week, and all these setups that I took were all the V5 indicator setups, right? Even whether they were the signals, whether they the breakouts, the break and taps, all V5 setups. And all I did, all the difference is I was consistent. I was disciplined with my approach. I managed risk when I thought that the stops were maybe a little bit too big, and I played it very at the start. Of course, I started off Monday as normal, but then once I got this juicer right here, the 2.4, I started to lower risk, as you can see right here. This sell I had a 1 lot size. My usually is a 5 lot. This sell I had a 1 lot, and then I had a 2.5. So beautiful week on gold. And also in the signals channel, the signals channel, I called out all the trades on Tuesday that I took, and yeah, these are all the trades I took on Tuesday morning, 9 a.m. I sent these trades out in the VIP Telegram, and then by 11:30 p.m. on that same night, I was up about 2k, about 240 pips profit, and closed the positions there. So some beautiful day trades there on some forex pairs, some indices as well. But yeah, so a beautiful week, absolute beautiful week. About 5k in, just under 5k in total from the day trades from the VIP Telegram and the trades from gold on V5. Absolutely beautiful week. I need to put this in the journal actually. I'll just put last night's gold trade in the journal. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. 09 / what was yesterday? 26 / 2024. Oh, that's 2025. This trade was taken at. But yeah, this was yesterday's trade, man. This was yesterday's trade. $5.45. Oh my god. London session on gold. Buys. This was a type 2 setup. 15-minute. Half risk, which was a 2.5 lot. Why do you write the price in journal? What do you mean? $21 pips. 75788. Second chance entry. You wrote the price of gold when you entered? No. Just the date. And just the date and the time. So yeah, this is what I've just put in right here, okay? So this was today's trade. Sorry, yesterday's trade that I just put in, 26. I entered the trade at around about 5:45 p.m. during London session on gold buy. It was a type 2 setup, 15-minute entry, half risk, 2.5 lot, 21 pips, $758. Profit, just under a percentage gain on the account. So yeah. We're approaching the 70% win rate. That was the 100th trade of the year as well. Look at that. 100th trade of the year, or 100th win of the year, sorry. Not the 100th trade, the 100th win of the year. Yeah, we're approaching the 70% win rate. Very nice. And it takes us to 11 trades for this month. What's my average stop loss on gold? 15, 20, 30 pips, maybe. Yeah, that was just a trade, man. The last big loss I took was the 30th of last month, at the end of the month, right? So just remember that. And this is what I always talk about as well. Trading when it comes at the end of the month is always risky because price can start to do some funny things, consolidate, low volume. So that last big loss I had right there was on the 30th of last month, right at the end of the month. I wonder what the one previous to that was. 1.4k loss right there, which would be 139, which would be the 11th. '30th right here. What's this one? That was a win. But yeah, man, a great week. Absolute great week this week. Very happy with this week. How it played out. Oh yeah, what was my win rate for this month? Was it yeah, 88%. So wait, how many trading days do we have left? We got one more trading day left on Monday. So this could be my best month yet of the year, 88%. July had an 85%. So this could beat July. Less trades. You see, the less trades, the better. Quantity over quality. No. Quality over quantity. I need to get to sleep. I need sleep. Quality over quantity. Setup type? What do you mean setup type? What is it? Oh, this is these are just the different plays that I have on my strategy. You can see it all right here. Type 1, Type 2, Type 3, Type 4, Type 5, Type 6. Six different setups within the same strategy, right? So it's not like I'm trading 6 different strategies. It's the same strategy, but it's just has different variations. You know what I mean? So this is just to let me know which variation of the strategy that I used to take this trade. Usually it's either type 2 or type 3, as you can see. Most of the time it's type 2 or type 3. There's some type 6s in there, type 5, type 4, but usually most of the time it's type 2 or type 3. Do I update the entries manually? Yeah, manually in here. But all the trades are in here, man. Every loss, you can see right here, 2.7k loss. I think the biggest loss I had this year was the 3,000, where is it? 3.3 thousand right there. $3,330. But then I also had a winner. $3.5. 3.3 and 3.5. 2.7. 2.7 winner. So I had a 2.3 loss and then I had a 2.7 winner. Alright, so I've made that back plus a little bit extra. $3.4 win right here, 2,400. A BE with 2,000. Must be a mistake. There's no BE with 2,000. These break even trades that have money, it's like I've moved stops to break even, but I've got slipped by a couple of pips. So it's break even, but you get slipped a couple of pips, and then price, you end up actually losing a little bit because of the slippage. Yeah, there's no BE with 2,000. Uses indicator unprofitable automatically. You're wrong, brother, because this indicator is actually coded off of my strategy. So I can trade without this indicator. It's just coded on my strategy to help other people. Do I have a group to follow my trades? Yeah, I post all the trades in my private Telegram here. Every entry that I take. You see from these trades as well, these are the day trades, right? Bigger wins, 1.3k win, $934 win. Smaller losses, 260, 220, 100, 100, 100. So that's what it's all about, brother. Greetings from Sydney. What's up, Sydney? What platform did you program your strat in? In PineScript in TradingView. xauusd pays, yeah, bro. I love xauusd. It pays me well. Oh, that's exactly what I say, Brian. That's what I've said from the beginning of my streams. When anybody new comes into the stream and they say, I'm a newbie. What advice do you have for me? I say one pair, one strategy, one session. That's it. If you're new to trading, those are the 3 simple rules. One pair, one strategy during one session. That is all you need. And like I said earlier, that is what, when I was going through that break-even stage, you know, of at the beginning of my journey, where I would go like a few hundred into profit, or then a few thousand into profit, then I'd go back to break-even, and then I'd go into profit and then go back to break-even. What I changed from that wasn't my strategy, which enabled me to then stay profitable. It was that aspect of my trading. It was more the psychological aspect of, okay, let me just try trade one pair, one setup during one session, right? That then allows you to be more precise. It allows you to be more focused. It allows you to be more clear in your approach and your thought process when trading. You're not stressed out about all the trades you're in, all different pairs. So when you're scalping, when you're day trading, yeah, when you're trying to learn at the beginning, one pair, one setup, one session. That's it. That's all you need. My indicator, this is the FOREX Recording Algo V5. This is just the indicator that I've coded on my strategy. The V5. People who trade different assets make themselves confused. You can't have multiple girlfriends at once, right? Saying, yeah. Well, you can have multiple girlfriends at once. There is people that do it. There is men out there that have multiple wives. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. But it just depends on your type of trading. If you're a swing trader, then trading multiple pairs is necessary, right? Because if you're a swing trader and you only get one setup per month, right? I mean, if you have the right capital, that is all you need. One setup a month, one good setup a month. But if you're a swing trader, you're more likely to trade more pairs, right? But again, I would try and max that at like 10 or so pairs. But if you're a scalper, if you're a day trader, you're in and you're out, you only need one pair. That's it. You only need to focus. You only need to focus for a few hours a day on that one pair during the right time. Look for the same setup every day, and you're good. I've started with crypto on FTX, lost some money because of the fall down, then moved to Forex when I realized that technical analysis doesn't work properly on crypto but works on Forex. Went through different pairs, eventually settled on gold because my broker gives me kickback for trading, get no fees. Oh, nice. What broker is that? What's up, big noser? Noser effects? Any flip challenge? What do you mean, like flip an account? What's up, Rob? Appreciate the follow on TikTok. Multiple wives, multiple problems. Yeah. I don't know. Is that something you guys would want to see? Me attempting to flip an account? I do like Alex G on, you know, the Alex G guy. 100 to a million. Pepperstone on the commercial account. Oh, nice. Do I have a bot? No, I don't have a bot. I've been trying to work on getting an EA set up on my strategies, but I just don't trust anybody. I don't trust anybody with that information and that code. I have the bot, you can call it, in TradingView, the indicator in TradingView, but I don't have like an EA bot that will trade for you. Fake traders, yeah. Well, the beauty would be, Brian, if I could set up my strategy to be automatic, and I don't even have to watch the charts and enter my setups manually, and it worked. My gosh, that would be insane. You know how much more free time I would have? I could literally just go about my day, do whatever I want to do, and just leave the bot to do all the trading for me. It's not about relying on a bot. If you code it around your strategy, what's the difference? A bot isn't going to have emotions. A bot is going to be better anyway. Has no emotions. It only executes on the data. That's it. No emotions come into play. No second guessing. It's just boom. This is what I need to enter a trade. When those requirements are met, I'm entering a trade. That's it. Do I have a bias indicator? This is part of V5. Ibnomayang. Appreciate the follow. Yeah, but it has the parameters coded to know the setup that you want to take. It doesn't matter about the market conditions. Yeah, I can say, you know, this is my setup, and if price is consolidating, I'm not going to take that setup, whatever. That could also be coded right into. You can code anything into an EA these days, right? You can literally tell it to do whatever you want it to do. You just have to give it. You just got to know the right person who knows how to give it the right code. I'm in Australia, man. I'm from the UK, but I'm in Australia. What indicator for the top right table? It's V5. FOREX, Cody, Algo, V5. Sydney? No, I'm in Victoria. Senior Major Investigator. Am I being investigated, mate? No? Okay, that's good. What's my opinion on xauusd? I think if we continue to reject this area, we can come down again. We can get a second chance entry in here for xauusd, right? This would be your normal, your first entry. It was a fake out. Price broke below, but then closed straight back above. So that's your fake out right there. So now you could have a second chance entry that once price comes and closes below this area, you can anticipate once it breaks those lows, once you get the closure, this next candle breaks those lows, you can anticipate that price can come down and fill this range here into this bottom wick and beyond, right? This, I only have this level marked up because this is a daily low and this would be a daily break of structure. If we have a look on the daily time frame, gold has been creating higher lows for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days now, right? So if we do get a break of this structure right here, let me just delete this one. If we do get a break of this structure, this would be a break of daily structure. There's going to be a lot of liquidity under here, whether we wick out and it sends price back up with all that liquidity, or whether it just drives through, grabs that liquidity, kind of retests it, and then just starts selling off heavily. We'll have to wait and see, but it could either do none of those as well. It could just simply consolidate for the rest of today, and that would be the week. But I would give second chance entries below this area, 2661085 for xauusd. But I'm not going to sit around and wait for it. because I'm tired. By law, I have to tell you I'm from ASIC. Oh, nice, man. What's your thoughts on GJ 4-hour bullish imbalance? I don't trade imbalance, so I can't really give thoughts on that. A good xauusd broker in the US? I have no idea. I'm not in the US. I use black ball markets. They got very good spreads on gold on xauusd, so you could check them out if you want. What pair is this? xauusd. Ain't nobody short in gold. I will. I will, Harvey. Can you briefly say how you got these days? Do England people have easy way in? I was on a working holiday visa, and bro's him. I was on a working holiday visa, and I met as I was on holiday over here. I met my now partner, and she basically sponsored me. I had to pay a lot of money though. Don't get me wrong. I had to pay a lot of money to get like the visa and stuff like that. But now we've got now we've got a daughter, all that good stuff. 9k isn't a lot. What are you talking about? 9k is not. 9k is a lot of money, my guy. I don't know what world you live in, but 9k is a lot of money. You know how many people in the world could do with 9k right now? You're an expat too. Only did the student way in. Oh, nice. What? So, where are you from, Van? He left getting shanked in London. Greed? What greed? Kazmi, just message me if you want, brother. Message me on TikTok or Instagram. Oh, you're from Czech Republic. Nice, man. So you live here now? You're permanent in Australia? What's my TP? I'm not in any trade right now. Hi, can I ask how a V5 works? It's just basically, it just gives you the exact entries that I take when I'm trading gold. That's it. V5 will gives you 3 different strategies or entries, setups, whatever you want to call them. So Cody, indicator going great, doing revision on it. Let's go, PJ. Yeah, I updated the V5 education yesterday as well. But yeah, basically you'll get 3 strategies with V5, 3 of my strategies: the breakout, the break and tap, and also the type 3, which is in the signals. And yeah, you just follow the strategies, follow the setups, and make money or lose money. But if you follow it to the T and you're disciplined, you're consistent, you will make money. You're talking about like you're talking about a 30 to 40k account, SMI from ASIC. Been here 16 years. Damn, bro. Nice. Core PC is weak. Yeah, it's not. look, it's definitely not inflation or interest rates or NFP, but it could pack a bit of a punch for sure. Come on, you gunners. Okay, I think I will follow you for a while to learn how to not greed anymore. I found my first challenge. Look, here, if you need to learn not to be greedy, or you need to learn to be more disciplined with your entries, again, I will go back to what I was talking about earlier about what changed my trading was not a different strategy, not a different approach to trading and to a different strategy, but what actually helped me go from being like a break-even trader where I was going in profit and then break even, then in profit, then in break even, then in drawdown, then in profit, then break even, right? Fluctuating back and forth for months and months and months. When I decided to just trade one pair, one strategy during one session consistently every single day for the next year, that is when I saw a massive improvement in my trading. So I highly recommend giving to you to give that a go, right? So trade, just start from today or start from next week. Pick one pair, right? I would say gold, because gold is great with price action. You get some good volume in gold as well. So one pair, one strategy during one session. So pick the session which is best for you, when you're going to be able to focus on the charts for at least 2, 3, or 4 hours. I won't say to go anywhere beyond that, because you're going to start to get mentally fatigued. So yeah, from anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. So one pair, one strategy during one session, London or New York, for 2 to 4 hours, and go from there. And give it 6 months to a year doing that, and I guarantee you will see progress, and you will automatically learn how not to be greedy and how to be a more patient trader, how to be a more disciplined, consistent trader. But you have to follow those 3 things, right? If you don't find a trade, say for example, if you trade London session, and on that day you're sitting in the charts, you sit there for 2 hours, you sit there for 4 hours, and you don't have any trades, right? You didn't catch any setups, and you're feeling a little bit frustrated, and you go, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just going to trade New York session as well tonight, because I didn't get any trades today, and I'm feeling frustrated. That is not what, that is when you just need to walk away for the day, right? Trade your window. Trade your pair, trade your strategy during your session. If you get a trade, cool. If it's a losing trade, cool. If it's a break-even trade, cool, right? You've got your trade, execute on your trade, manage the trade, and then whatever happens from there happens, right? And then you walk away, come back the next day. If you don't get any trades during that period, then guess what? You pack up and you come back the next day, and you're just building that discipline and consistency. That's all you need to do, is just build that discipline and consistency, because like I said, in everything in life, discipline is the hardest thing to conquer, right? It's so hard. That's why, it's most people can be disciplined for a week or a month, but being disciplined over a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years consistently is very, very hard, right? So that's where that should be your goal. That's where you should be thinking about getting to, right? Is that level of consistency and discipline. And journaling as well. Yeah, I agree. How much do I trade with on my personal? It's currently sitting at right here. Australian dollars, which is about, I don't even know, like 40-50 US or something. Do you think start again with 500 live account is all right? Yeah. Start again with even if you do a 400 sorry, a $100 dollar account, right? Start a $100 account, and then just don't worry about the profits. Okay, don't focus on the profits or the percentage gain. Just focus on showing up every day, executing your plan, trading one pair, one strategy during one session, managing your trade. Just focus on building those, you know, the discipline, the consistency. That's it. That's all you need to focus on. I need to sleep, man. I can barely talk right now. I'm so tired. I feel like I'm slurring my words and everything. Yeah, US, but Aussie. Yeah, this is my account, but it's Aussie. This is Aussie dollars, 83,000 Aussie dollars. So what is that in US? I don't know why I'm converting to US because I'm from Australia, but for those out there who are from the US, yeah, it's around about 57 US. Do you think Euro USD will be pushed down on the news? I have no idea with Euro USD, to be honest. I actually deleted Euro USD from my watch list because I was over it. What's my opinion on prop firms? If you desperately need the capital, then go for it. As long as you have a track record, as long as you have the data to back yourself up, that you have been profitable for the last 3 to 5 years, consistently. Well, I would say like, yeah, probably like 2 to 5 years, because otherwise you're just going to be making these prop firm owners rich by consistently buying their accounts and not passing the challenge or blah 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 blah, right? So yeah, if you desperately need the capital, then prop firms are definitely a good option. Otherwise, I would stay away from them. Yeah, what do you think I'm doing, Brian? I'm definitely not trying to lower my account balance. I'm definitely trying to grow it. 3 to 4 months isn't enough time for sure. 3 to 4 months is definitely not enough time to start funding accounts. Because like I said, for the most people, maybe there is 1 or 2 people out there like you. If you're saying you've been funded for 2 years after 3 to 4 months of being profitable, that's fine, right? But that's your journey. That is not a normal journey for the majority of traders, right? So for you to give that advice, you're putting people in the wrong mindset that they can just go ahead and start buying funded accounts when maybe they're not at the level that you're at. Yeah, but Brain Ninja, like you're saying all this with the presumption that whoever goes and buys a funded account is going to pass that account, right? That is not the reality of it. Over 90% of people who take funded accounts fail them, right? So it's very easy to sit there and say, milk them while you can, take advantage of them while you can, blah blah blah. But in reality, the prop firm is milking the retail traders and taking advantage of them more than they are taking advantage of the prop firm, right? But 3 to 4 months is not going to be consistently profitable, is not going to be enough for everybody else. Like I said, it may have been enough for you, but not everybody is you. Okay, people are on different paths, are on different parts of their journey. 3 to 4 months being profitable on a demo or a small money account is not going to be enough for most people to go ahead and just start buying funded accounts and passing them and getting paid out. Am I going to trade PCE? Hell no, I don't trade news. What's your honest opinion on copying other trades as a beginner? Copying others' trades as a beginner? I mean, I think it's fine as long as you've done your research on the person you want to copy. Your mom is calling. It's time to go to bed. So you can't pay out your funded account whenever you want. To be honest with you, I have no idea how funded account works. I genuinely have no idea. Yeah, I agree, Seal. Yeah, but again, Brain Ninja, I know you're trying to help, and I appreciate that, but you're telling people to take the risk when, again, in reality, all the numbers and the stats show that over 90% of people fail in trading, right? It's a ridiculous amount, like 90 something percent. So it's all good for you to sit there and say, take the risk, but in reality, people are literally just going to be giving away their money, blowing their money, right? So you're leading people into like a false sense of hope. Like, oh yeah, like, exactly. It doesn't matter why they fail. It could be psychology, it could be whatever. It doesn't matter why they fail. The fact of the matter is they do fail. So telling people to just take a risk and blah, 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 blah is not the right way to go about it, right? Because like I said, you may have your journey where you was able to be profitable for 3 to 4 months and then start funded trading, and now you're getting payouts, but that is a very, very rare story in this industry, I promise you, right? So if you're telling the truth, then I applaud you. Fair play to you, right? No one is ever gonna know if you're telling the truth or not. But if you're here saying it, I will believe you. I will take your word for it, right? That's the kind of person I am. But it's not. You just, you know. I'm talking to a brick wall, man. What's up, Sky? Thank you for the follow on TikTok. Brain Ninja, this conversation is finished. Like, I understand what you're saying. I appreciate your words and coming into the stream and stuff, but like, I'm repeating myself. So this conversation is done. I don't think you quite understand what I'm trying to say. Oh, of course you're gonna have something. Like I said, it does pack a punch, but it's not gonna be NFP or inflation or interest rates, right? It's not gonna be like a huge movement. But something's gonna happen. There's gonna be a reaction in the market. How many pips last week on gold? I'm not in the VIP Telegram. It was around about 250 pips. Plus the gold trades, I would say like over 300 or so pips. What is that highlighted time you trade on? This is my trading windows. So I have 4-hour windows where I trade, where I'm able to focus, because it's obviously well known that the human brain can only focus for a certain amount of time before it gets fatigued. So, and of course it is right as well. Like, you know, after some time sitting at the charts or concentrating on anything, if you have a job or anything like that, you know, you start to get fatigued after a few hours of serious concentration. So I like to give myself windows where I'm able to concentrate fully for that certain amount of time, and then after that I walk away. I kind of go for a refresh, and then I'll come back later. No, I don't have any courses. I don't sell courses. You don't need to watch the charts for 4 hours. I never said that. I never said that, Rocco. I said I give myself a 4-hour window to trade within the day. What's up, Connor? Connor. Dun 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 dun. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm out of here, man. After that move to the upside, so like I said, I was looking for the move down, the bearish move, the little short-term bearish move down here to fill this range. Obviously, news has come out now. I'm pushing price up, so there's going to be no more trades for me in here. So this week ended up for me about 2.9k profit on gold, a few small losses, two beautiful winners. For a total of 2.9 after commission, 2.8k profit. Also in the VIP this week we had the trades sent out, all the trades that I took this week on AJ, AU, EN, GA, GU, NZD, CHF, NZJPY, NZD, USD. Ended up in 2k on those, all called out live in the Telegram channel. So absolute beautiful week. What was that? So about almost 5k profit this week across the day trades and the scalps, the V5 setups. So beautiful week, very good week actually. Happy with this week. I am actually a lot more happier. I'm just very tired. I was up at I was up very early this morning. I'm ready to sleep, and I'm gonna have a nice sleep in tomorrow actually. So tomorrow is gonna be another good day. But yeah, love your honesty and your trading yourself. Let's go, Soul. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you for the words. Red, thank you for the follow. See you later, Laser. Enjoy your weekend too, brother. Where's the Telegram? You'll find, if you're interested, a follow, copying all my trades, follow all my trades, and the V5 Vindicator. Just you'll see my website in my profile if you want to check it out. If you have any questions, let me know. But I am ready to sleep, man. But yeah, 5k week, not bad. Not bad at all. Oh my gosh. But yeah, have a good weekend, guys. Have a good weekend. Do you know Jill Banks? Is he legit? I have no idea who that is. If they've got Banks in their names, then I would question it. But yeah, thank you guys, man. Thank you for a good stream. I'm sorry I was a bit tired today. I was a bit, not my usual self. But yeah, I'm going to go get some sleep. And we'll be back next week with the streams on Monday. This was just a quick little recap for the week. Kind of like a nice little catch up with you guys. Nice little chat. And yeah, nice ending to the week, man. Thank you, and I will see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. No over risking, no over leveraging for the rest of today, for the rest of this week. Take it easy. Finish the week on a high if you can, and I'll see you guys next week. All right, peace out. Peace out, YouTube. See you guys next week, man. Stay safe.